Ready to unlock the power of true personalization inside your AI interactions? Let's dive into how to set up dynamic variables in Retell AI, allowing your AI to respond in a way that's custom fit for each and every user. First, you'll need to navigate to the Retell AI platform and either select your existing conversation flow or create a new one. Locate the variables section within your flow configuration. This is your control center for injecting that personalized magic. Click it. Here, you'll see options to define different variables that you can use throughout your bot's responses. Make sure to name it something memorable. To get started, think about the user information you want to tap into. User attributes, like a customer's name or email address, are your first best friends. Choose an attribute the system will already be aware of, or configure it to collect that info using your customer's input. You'll also choose which type of information the variable will hold, like text or a number. Now comes the fun part, creating the responses. When you're writing your bot's responses, you'll be able to insert these variables directly into the text. Use the proper format, like followed by your variable, then the rest of the message content, and your bot is fully equipped to adapt your responses on the fly. Watch your bot transform as it personalizes for each user. See how the Retell AI platform and dynamic variables can transform the customer experience by allowing you to engage your customer personally and efficiently.